Hey, everybody.
Welcome.
Welcome. It's Saturday night, and welcome to Dustin and Michelle Resell.
Yes.
Go ahead, baby.
Oh, we are so excited to have you here tonight. Usually we're live on Saturday night, but since we are in Colorado right now enjoying the mountain air, we wanted to make it as much like Saturday night as possible for you guys. So here we are, and enjoy, guys. If you haven't been with us before, we are full-time resellers.
Yeah, and we sell on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and today it's Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist.
Either or. Yeah, we'll post some of those bigger items on both as well.
Yeah.
But today we are going to be talking about something that I used to wear back in the mid to late 90s, and that is JNCO jeans, JNCO jeans.
JNCO.
Yes. Now these were made for the skater back in the 90s, right? Because you wanted the big wide leg pants, super comfortable. Your grandparents and parents could not understand why you wanted to wear so much pant.
So much denim.
Exactly. They just thought they were horrendous, and they're very easy to spot because of that.
It's so funny. And it's so funny that you had some of these.
Oh my gosh, yes. I do. We don't have any examples for you right yet, but the only example that I have, this shirt right here, I wore with a pair of JNCOs back in the late 90s. So this is about the best example that I have. This is Sanit. This is a rollerblading company, which I used to do actually back in the day. And if you want to see actually an example of me wearing some JNCOs, at least, me and my friends skating around wearing JNCOs, let's check this out. Now, here's me jumping on a handrail in a pair of JNCOs, and woohoo, I made it safely. Here I am again. I'm taking a little rest. I got those big old baggy jeans on, and it's great because I'm about to jump on this fountain here, and I need all the legroom I can.
Look at you go.
Oh my gosh, this was so much fun. I mean, me and my friends, we'd go out and do this all the time. Here's my good friend Jason Hahn doing a pretty sweet trick. That was a tough one. Look how oh my gosh, okay, this little kid right here, his name is Brad Magnuson. He actually turned pro, and he's wearing a pair of JNCOs.
He is.
Yes, you can totally see the baggy jeans, and they have like patches on them and stuff like that. Here's it is again. Oh my gosh, guys, this was just so much fun. We loved skating, and we needed those big baggy jeans. Even the grasshoppers loved our big baggy jeans. Look at
that. I haven't seen that before, babe. That was pretty cool. I was pretty impressed.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
So there's like some sort of examples of JNCO jeans, the big baggy ones, and we're going to go to the unofficial price guide, which are the eBay solds, and I'm going to show you quite a few of these. First of all, we're going to just search for JNCO jeans on eBay, and we'll see that 2,600 results here are available. So we're going to scroll really quick down to see how many have sold. Now that'll give us a sell-through rate. And it says that 3,000 have sold in the past 90 days. Now I know, right? That's more than a 100% sell-through rate, meaning that if you find a pair of JNCO jeans and you list them, they will sell within 90 days. So let's see what they're selling for now. We're just going to do, I know.
It hurts a little.
I know. We're just going to do a little bit of quick scrolling. Okay. Please don't mind that, but we're going to look at some of these examples just a little more closely as well. Now, okay, here we go. We're going to look at these top ones a little closer. So let's scroll down a little bit. Here we see that, even still, these are going for $1,200. Wait a minute. $1,200. Is that for real?
That's for real.
It is for real because look at this one. It has 16 bids on it. Okay. And we'll go in and look at a little bit closer to see that there's actually more than one bidder bidding on these things. And they're bidding over $1,000 for these pairs of jeans.
It's crazy. So look out for the super wide leg and over like a large design. Is it usually like an animal or a character or What is that? A spider?
Yeah, well, some of them are the tribals. They have like a Buddha here. There's all different sorts of sort of like large, patchy things that are on the back of these jeans. Sometimes the front as well, as you'll see here. So look at this pair of shorts right here. I mean, I don't even know what that is. It says there's like 3 skulls on the back of these shorts here.
I like the one above it because actually you and I were just laughing the other day about the word culotte.
Oh,
like,
yeah, culotte.
A culotte. He's like, what's a culotte? Because I used it in a keyword. And those kind of ones kind of looks like culottes. They're like not shorts, not pants.
The culotte is almost another word for like capri in a way.
Or a clam digger.
Sort of. Oh, clam digger. Oh, okay. So like a high ride or a high water or a capri sort of jean pants.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Capri's
that's
usually, yeah.
Oh,
it's just the length.
Ah, got it. Okay. So culotte, these do look a little bit like culottes, but they're not. I mean, these go all the way down to your ankles, completely hiding your pants at times or your shoes. Yeah. Except for these shorts here.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. So, okay, so when you see these massively wide legs at the bottom here, check them out. They may not be JNCOs, but even still, those baggy wide jeans are like starting to come back in style.
A keyword would be fat boy, right?
Fat boy, okay.
Because it says fat boy 24.
Actually, that is perhaps one of the JNCO like style names. Perhaps.
Oh, it's a style name. Okay.
Yeah. 111, baggy, of course, baggy pipe. Pipe is what they would call the measurement at the bottom. So like now it's like really skinny ankle jeans. You know, before they would call it the pipe. Like, how big is the pipe? It's a 21-inch pipe. All right, that's what we need.
Oh,
you know?
Really? That's like the slang term for the
bottom cuff. Yeah. Right.
Oh, that's scary. With some skulls on it.
I know, right?
I guess that's what makes it cool, though.
I guess, you know, yeah, to some people, you know. But look at this, guys. We're still seeing all of these in
There's
a $600 price range. $600 price range, guys.
Yeah.
My gosh. Let's look at a couple of examples that are like really closely, really high-end ones, and we'll look at some, you know, ones that are even like in the $50 to $100 range, because they don't go much lower than that.
Yeah.
Honestly, which is pretty cool. So let's look at this example a little more closely here. This is a really simple style. I mean,
Cute.
The patch, yeah, right.
It's a snail.
They almost look like capris or culottes or something, but this is just the J logo, one of their logos.
Oh, I'm like,
it does look like a snail. Very simple design, but look at this, guys. 78 bids for $400 for this one pair of pants, right? So let's see if we can find
So you would look for these things most likely at like church sales, places where a lot of people come and just dump stuff for a weekend, like, you know, a massive, what do you want to call it? I'm at a loss for words.
Yeah, just like you said, like a church sale, a community sale, something where, you know, like if these go to a thrift store, you're going to be paying up for them, or they're going to send them to like Goodwill.
They'll know right away.
Yeah, they will know that these JNCO jeans are whatever. So your best bet is probably to find them at a yard sale, you know, a estate sale, or, you know, like a community sale, something like that. For sure. Because I have to be honest with you, I've not seen one pair in 10 years, guys, of thrifting.
Out in the wild, as they say.
Right? I have not seen any, and I'm really bummed. But now that we're doing the show, I know that you are going to see some, and we'll find some too.
Yeah, because we manifest it. As soon as we start talking about it, put it out there in the universe.
Yeah, that's why we are looking at this right now. We want to find some JNCOs. Right? All right, so let's look at another example really closely. At some that have gone for some really good money. This is sort of like almost like the Grail pair right here.
Oh, I love the chain.
Right. It's got like the embroidered chain wallet, so you don't even need the extra chain. You know, I remember having a chain on my wallet while I was skating.
Is that a real one, or it's stitched?
Oh yeah, it is. It is a stitched. Yep. So
is that cool?
Yeah, totally. And it has like the tribal design with the like sort of like spray painted JNCO logo there. Here is the JNCO jeans logo that you'll see if you're looking at the tag. I'm sorry that this is a little blurry. It's a bad example. But here's the tag when you go to find them. This is sort of the Grail pair. And look at this, $1,675.
Whoa.
That went 9 bids. Let's check it out. There were 2 different bidders on this. in 9 bids, and they started it out at $900. Wow. So they knew right away that they could get at least $900 for these. And somebody was like, hey, these are in good shape or whatever. These are my size. I need
and
these
they
ones.
duped it out. It looks like, right?
They sure did.
That is the fun part of watching a auction.
Oh, for sure. Right?
Yeah.
I know. So much fun. So let's go back and check out maybe a couple of these JNCOs that go for less money and see what's there. Because honestly, if you look at the price here, it says under $75. So really there's, under $75.
There's nothing.
There's not going to be, much less than $75 here. So we'll just do a sort of quick scroll or some JNCO shorts here.
Yeah, it's still in the $70 range.
Yeah. And you might not even see these as JNCO because they're not all, they don't have the cool patches.
Yeah, all the logos and brand stuff.
Yeah, they don't have the super wide leg all the way to the bottom. So sometimes you just got to look for that JNCO logo. Here's one. They look like from some like fireman pants or something. Oh, these are Gerbos. I'm sorry.
No way.
That's another pair of like jeans that I have not found out thrifting. Gerbos. Oh my gosh.
I know.
Like if I had a pair of Gerbos back in the day, I was cool,
Oh, Guess was cool back in the day too.
Guess as well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, wide leg Guess jeans.
How about Z Cavarici?
Ooh, you're killing me.
Haven't heard that one in a while.
Z Cavarici. Wasn't there another one like Cavarillo or it was like probably a fake or something? I don't know.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. All those cool jeans from the 90s. Here's some more that are going for $72 with bids. It's like some acid wash there.
You know what's really funny is that wide leg jeans and wide leg pants are really in right now. And not so much the skinny leg so much anymore. But this style in like from H&M if you're out to shopping, they're making these straight legs. So check them out. They're in right now, believe it or not.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so what about like the rise now too? You say like the wide leg, straight leg are in. So these are definitely a part of that, just completely blown up almost to the extreme, I would say.
I don't know the exact measurement, but I would imagine it was a medium rise because you have a lot of heavy denim to hold up.
Yeah, right.
And you're gonna need something that's not gonna fall off your butt when you're sliding down a railing, right?
That's true.
Yeah, I'd say probably. And then you guys wouldn't want to wear high rise because that's just dorky in the 90s, right?
Oh my gosh, yeah. So it was probably somewhere in the mid. I don't even remember or even care. But as far as like trending jeans are going, the straight leg, wide legs, those are getting popular.
Yeah, they are.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. So guys, we hope that if you haven't heard about JNCO jeans before, that you now have, and you have your eyes peeled because wow, guys.
They're worth so much. And remember to look for the wide legs, right?
Super wide legs.
And most of them have some sort of a
like cool patch or design on the back. They have massive pockets that go all the way down to the feet almost. They're actually very easy to spot.
Yes.
There are some of those plain ones though that still sell, like we showed you, for like $75. So
Gerbo. But if you guys enjoy this kind of content, please like and subscribe. We would love to have you a part of our little family. And we hope you guys have a great week. We can't wait to figure out what we're going to be doing next week for you guys.
For sure. And it's going to be good. I know that, of course.
I know that too. So,
yeah.
We can't wait to see you guys next week. Have a great one.
Yeah, guys. Take care.
Bye.
That's up to you.